Hello, my name is Simran Rahaman, and I got into PDCP in Amity University Kolkata with the help of UPS education. I found Arvind sir's classes were extremely helpful. Like the way he explains things, it really makes it very easy, to understand concepts. And if doubts, he takes he takes a very thorough approach to help us clarify the doubts. And that I see that he pays to all the students who are enrolled online, and it doesn't really feel like an online class, to be very honest, because it feels like an offline class where he has his eyes on everybody who's there, and he urges us to keep our cameras on so that he can observe who's paying attention. So the notes that I received, so when I enrolled for the course, I received a set of notes, in hard copy format. So they were very helpful because those notes, they were brief, but they were also at the same time very, I would say, thorough. So they were very helpful, and the online quizzes that I received through my portal, UPS portal, they were also very helpful. Like, they were very thorough, and they were very helpful as well. When you come across very difficult concepts or something that is actually a little difficult for you, so you'll get demotivated. But when somebody breaks that down in a way that you understand, I think that's very motivating as well. And that's what Sir does, and I love this approach. And he, like I said, he also has this individual approach where he knows all his students, right? And he's seeing if you're there in a session, and if you don't talk at all, and if you do not, participate in the class much, he tries to bring us out of those shells, because not everybody is an extrovert, right? Some people are introverted, and some people have difficulty opening up during classes, especially if they are online. So I think Sir has that approach where he tries to get everybody comfortable, and so that everybody can come up and answer and ask their doubts. And every day Sir also asks a few questions. And so it's like a mini quiz that he has in every class, and he asks those questions, and he expects you to participate. So I think that is also very motivating. And for the notes again are very concise, but at the same time they do not leave out on any content. And I think that's very important. So the notes are brief because you can understand them, because most exams are MCQs, right? When it comes to entrance exams, there are MCQs. So you do not need to go through hills of information. Instead, you need to know how to turn them into brief notes so that you can remember them. And also, one thing that I would like to point out here is the Instagram page. Whoever handles the Instagram pages of UPS education, it's very good. And the people are very nice and very warm, and any query you have, even if you have not enrolled for the classes, they will answer you. So like initially when I started asking questions, I did not enroll first, but they were equally helpful, and they would give me information that I required, not just about the classes, but also any other doubts that I had about the universities and the exams. So they helped me there also. So that is one thing I would like to bring up. It's very helpful. Yes, I would definitely recommend UPS education, because like I said, I did have an attempt last year, but it was not successful. And then I started with UPS education, and the results have been very fruitful in my favor.